Khalid Ahmed, husband to Sports, Heritage and Culture Cabinet Secretary Amina Mohamed has died. According to the family, Khalid Ahmed died early Thursday morning at Karen Hospital in Nairobi, following a short illness. While expressing his condolences to the family, President Uhuru Kenyatta described him as a great person, a gentleman and a strong pillar of his family. He also said that Khalid was a gifted businessman whose contribution to the progress of our nation shall be dearly missed. It's been a tough 5 months for CS Amina, who lost her brother Esmael Mohamed Jibril in March 2021, while undergoing treatment in India. Amina and Khalid married in 2002. They have 6 children, 2 biological and 4 adopted children. The late Ahmed was an excellent entrepreneur, and is credited with running the family businesses while Amina Mohamed worked in international organizations. May he rest in peace.